Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalaka and I make videos on food, fashion, travel and lifestyle. So if any of these topics interest you, please subscribe to my channel and keep on watching. So guys, many of you asked me about that wall in my latest previous video, and I thought like whether I've painted it or I've gotten wallpaper. So I just thought that why not give you guys a closer look and show it to you all. So sit back, relax. It's a Saturday, grab a drink if you want to. Real quick, cause we are about to start. Welcome to my home. Today we are just going to cover the living room because I do not want to make this a very long video. So let's begin. So before we start, I would just like to mention here that while shooting this video I was all alone, so it might be a little unstable, but please bear with me for this one. So this is the door from where we enter. This is our main door. It's very big, huge, as you can see, and the first thing you see is after entering is this full length mirror. This is a custom made mirror. Like I got the picture on Pinterest. I got the picture from Pinterest and I got it done from my local carpenter, and I think he did a very good job here. So that's about the mirror, and right next to the door on the left hand side we have this TV cabinet. Now this was my TV cabinet earlier, but now we have just like mounted the TV on the wall, so I just put this table here and it goes really well. To the top of the table I have added a beautiful painting, and then we have some scented candles because I really like the fact that once you enter the door you have some fresh and soothing fragrances in the house. So that's the reason I've kept that here. And as you can see, the candles are almost over. I need to soon replace them, and I bring all my scented candles and all my home decor generally from Lifestyle and from the 99 store. So these are the two stores that I bring my home decor from. Also, this turquoise table runner is from Lifestyle. This earlier used to be my dining table runner, but now I just use it here. To the left of the table we have the TV setup. This wall is completely empty. I have really not done much on this wall. I just have my TV mounted up on the wall, and below that is a shelf that Akash has made for our remotes and a set-top box. We don't really watch TV that much now. We stick to Netflix, but just in case our families are over and if they like to watch something, we have the TV here. Next to the TV wall we have our kitchen entrance, and just next to that there was a small space empty, like a small wall, so I decided to add our photo frames there. Now I am sure you guys remember all these photos from our previous house, and I just feel that photos are such a good way of collecting memories, and just displaying them makes the place more beautiful. Now moving on to the highlighted wall, the star of the day. So this was a plain white wall, and I got this picture from Pinterest again. Of course I chose the color theme myself, and firstly we added a tape to create these geometrical shapes, and then we painted it and took off the tape. Doesn't really sound as easy as it looks. We took almost 2 days to complete this whole wall, just one wall, and the results were beautiful, so we really loved it. And if you guys would like a full detailed video on it, please do let me know. Next, because so much was going on that wall, I just wanted to add like a pop of color out there, so I spray painted this chair yellow and arranged it here. Right next to the chair I have this small bookshelf. I really wanted a bookshelf because I love to read now, and I thought my home should reflect the things I like to do. The upper shelf has a diffuser. I just feel that I cannot live without diffusers and scented candles now, especially during the rainy season. So I really think it's a good idea to invest in a diffuser. The next shelf has all these decor pieces which our friends and family have gifted us, and which are very dear and near to our hearts. Next, of course, on the third shelf we have books, because it's a bookshelf, so obviously I should keep books on this one. So the shelf right below it also has more books. I also have more books in my bedroom, which I'm currently reading, but this was about the shelf. The next shelf has a beautiful idol of Ganpati Bappa here, and I just love this one. I think this one was given to me by my Sasuma. And right next to that we have Lord Buddha. So I think they both just look like really amazing on the shelf. And after that, on the last shelf again I have a diffuser. Now I know you guys are going to think that she's obsessed with this, but yeah, I'm surely am. In the corner we have a floor lamp to set up the mood. I love how it just lights up to create an ambience again. Really good for reading as well. So right next to the lamp we have a 3-seater sofa set. Again I took this in the color sea green to contrast with the adjacent wall. It's just the two of us, so I think a 3-seater sofa set is good enough accordingly. It has a beautiful velvet finish. It's very soft and looks extremely classy. I have added some pillows to create kind of more comfort. And right next to it we have a cute little table stand just for a coffee mug or a glass of water maybe, and I've placed like an artificial plant on top of that. Now again, for more comfort, we have this yellow ottoman in case you want to rest your legs. I've kept this at a distance just to create a partition to the dining area. Also, both the yellow really pop out and they complement the room really well. Now that brings us to the last section of the house, that is the dining. A basic 4-seater dining table. The tabletop has a marble finish and the chairs are comfy enough to hold on to. Just keeping some basics on the tabletop, some pot holders, salt and pepper shaker, and artificial plant, and of course a scented candle. It had to be here, right? The door you see behind one of the chairs is to the balcony, but we shall cover that later. But when open, it surely lets in ample of light and cool breezes, which we often chill to. So that was about my living room, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.